I'm literally going out to eat in a few hours. And why am I doing this? Why am I eating this? They were $5.99 at Price Chopper's frozen food section. So Tony is still on vacation, by the way. Okay, guys, so it turns out that this has glass noodle in it. I was thinking the outside was a glass noodle, but when you bite into it, let me show y'all. Do y'all see that? I don't like the glass noodles because the texture is throwing me way off. It doesn't taste natural. It doesn't taste like food. It tastes like chemical. It's a strange taste. Yeah, so I won't buy those no more. No wonder why they were so inexpensive. Glass noodle. Even the name don't sound appealing. I'm wondering if my body is able to digest it or not. This is my makeup. I happen to be behind someone that is doing literally 20 miles per hour. So if I'm late, it's not because of me. I'm not too sure where Sharon is. Sorry. Hey, girl. My hug and my hug. Okay, we're over here, Pumpkin. Oh, I love agave. That's what I taste in there, some agave. I get on Tony's nerves doing all that. Girl, these on I got these from the Goodwill. Okay, Jesus. What size are those? Size 12. The Lord blesses me when I go to the Goodwill. The kids actually have nothing. This was worn out. These dresses. There was a dress to shirt. And I was good. I had to look at them. You're welcome. I didn't see so many people. There was a few people in there, but I was like, it was a Monday. It had a little sale. It's Salvation Army. Oh, Metcalf. Salvation Army on Metcalf. I've been there. I've been there recently for the first time. Me and Esmeralda. That was my first time too. Girl, they got some good home decor stuff. Girl, I like that. I thought I was in the girl. I was in there again. I got lost. Oh my goodness. I thought, oh, man, this stuff. Yeah. What you think? You taste that agave? It's good. You let yours settle. That could, okay. Oh. There we go. Huh? Yes, honey, these are good. Hot and fresh. Huh? Have you tried the baby back ribs? Are they good?
I haven't tried them, but I have heard really good things. Yeah.
Good.
Did you want the full rack or the half rack?
The one for 27. You know what? I don't. Full rack. That's a full rack. Yeah, I'll just take some home.
The full?
So I think you might want to take some. Yeah, the full rack.
And then what side would you like?
I ordered a whole rack of ribs, y'all. I don't even need no sides. Does it come with sides?
It comes with two sides or a side and a salad.
Okay, what are the sides from? I'm so sorry. I don't know.
You got the baked potatoes.
I love asparagus. Asparagus for lunch. Yep. And
rice is good.
And rice.
Rice?
Thank you, Sharon.
All right.
Oh, Lord, I'm feeling it.
Get a picture.
Okay.
Get your drink.
Okay. Get the outfit. That's what you need to get.
Can I get that menu ready?
I made this dress. I made this dress somewhere.
It's gorgeous. I love it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Red, that's fabulous. He's turning around. Turn around.
I like it, and I like your Goodwill shoes. I heard you saying that. I love the Goodwill, so yeah, I love the Goodwill. I don't want to butt in your conversation.
Oh, you're fine. And you guys, I'm gonna blur y'all faces out. I do YouTube videos, so I'm gonna blur y'all. If you're in here, you might not even be in here.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't see. Oh,
Yeah.
gotcha.
All right, y'all have a blessed one.
What's your name? I'll look you up.
So Monica, you're so sweet.
Esther.
Okay.
I'll let you find it from me.
Okay. This is so awesome. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, how do I do this? Let me see. We're gonna do it like this. She wants my YouTube channel, y'all. So, Ronica. Oh, Jesus. That's the Long Island iced tea kicking in, y'all. So, Ronica. That's it. There I go. You can unsubscribe when you get home, but right now you're subscribed. Thank you, family. Y'all have a blessed one. All right. Sharon, you should start vlogging. You always doing something. You always doing something. You always, you know what I'm saying? Your fashion. They're gonna throw me out of here. They're gonna be like, girl, if you should tell somebody else you made that dress. I'm so proud of myself, though. But yeah, you should definitely vlog.
I'm not one of the podcast.
Your life is a subject. What are you talking about? You know, everything is content.
Yeah.
You didn't want none of this? Did you get some of this? We got 2 minutes. Sorry. So I wasn't able to eat any of the rice. I didn't touch it, did not get a spoonful. I wasn't able to do it. And once I saw the ribs and I saw that this piece was like, is that OCD, y'all? Once you see something, it's like, you know what I'm saying? Then it just kind of, so yeah, so I just went ahead and took the ribs home. I felt like somebody would eat them. If not, I could find a homeless person or something. She didn't realize that her meat was going to come out pink. So she got a $25 tip. The suggestive amount for 22% was $23. I just went ahead and rounded it off to $25. Yes, I did get a discount. Okay. I got a discount because they're affiliated with where I work. They're all under the same umbrella. Under my umbrella. Ella. You have some boots on?
Yeah, I got my feet covered. Yeah.
Now, where you parked at?
Right there.
All right, well, let's walk you to... Okay, well, you want to drop your car off or to go see Tay? He's like, where? Talking about where are we going?
You gotta call me to my mom.
Okay, I'm going to follow you.
She's off the highway.
Are you good to drive, Sharon? I don't want no... You know, we at that age. I got the... Girl, I said, where's my phone? I stopped. I was like, where's my phone? It's in my hand.
Yeah, we're at that age. Where's my phone?
Yeah.
I forgot the shirt.
Oh, girl, get my food. Hold on, wait a minute before you drop that out. Oh, okay. So, yeah, so some people may be wondering, like, why go out to eat if when you go out to eat, you just, you know what I'm saying? I'm not the kind of person that complains. I never once asked for them to take the rice off the ticket. I just went ahead and, you know what I'm saying, dealt with it. I didn't inquire about what happened to the rib, the piece that was, you know, missing on the rib. I just dealt with it. So it's not like I'm one of those problematic go out to eat, ask for a manager or ask for my money back or ask for a discount. I'm not one of those, okay? I just know that if I feel uncomfortable, I'm not able to either taste it or finish it. So, Patrick Mahomes. Huh? You said you're not editing people out? There's a reason why the Lord wanted them in there. Thank you. You too. Well, thank you. Are they coming back? So apparently this dress has gotten me more compliments than I anticipated, honey. Is it the red hair and the Christmas colors? I don't know. Ooh, that's funny. Ooh, perfect. That's good. For my dress falls all the way apart. Yep, you heard it correctly, y'all. Before my dress falls apart. Beautiful dress. Love the look. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So guys, I give this dress a 9 out of 10. I say 9 because I felt like it needs to be lined, and I need to work on those little dangly fringe things that the thread be hanging. So one way you can sow into your future is by walking into your destiny. Okay. And sometimes you got to backtrack. Go back and get something. So every day you got to find a reason to smile. If you don't have a reason to smile, make one. Photo shoots make me happy. There it is. There it is. I had to give him some of that Tyler Banks and Naomi Campbell. Nowadays, it's about the angles. So everything doesn't have to be high level with you. You guys, I'm not too sure why this establishment is playing old Negro spirituals. That's what it sounds like. They're over there. I'm like, what are we listening to? I mean, you know what I'm saying? I could kind of vibe with it. Don't worry, I'll blur you out.
Your phone?
Yeah,
your phone?
I'm recording. Thank you. So even before IG and all that, she and I have always been doing stuff like this. So she and I would go like to the Goodwill and try on wedding dresses and take pictures in them, Polaroids. So the only difference is now is video. We're still at it. We're still trying. Okay, come on.
Practice makes perfect, honey.
Okay, come on. You ready to get together? Together! Right. Alright, let's see what we got. We got, oh my God. Well, I can go down the other side, Sharon.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the camera over there.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Hold it. No.
Like here?
Can you turn the camera this way?
I can, but it don't get good footage.
Oh, it don't.
Oh. So they gotta. Okay, if you can stand.
Stand out here?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So guys, I decided to leave that in for the hood cinematography of the video.
Well, it's
Thank you. Thank you for him. Oh my goodness.
so it's recording.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit all that out.
Okay. All right.
So y'all may have noticed that I changed my shoes and that they don't match my outfit, but these were a gift from my friend.
That was pretty good.
Thank you. And if you guys want to check it out, it's So Ronica on YouTube. I make dresses, yes.
Oh, so Veronica?
So Ronica.
Oh, so Ronica.
Yeah, that's not my name.
SORONICA.
SCWRONICA.
So.
Yeah, I make dresses.
That's pretty good.
I thought it was a catchy name, but evidently it's not too catchy.
Yeah, get some
God
cards.
bless
Get
you.
some
Thank
cards.
you.
You're welcome.
All right. Y'all too. Thank you. So guys, do y'all see why Tony needs to participate in these YouTube videos? We borrowing people's husbands out here in these streets trying to get this footage.